Alright, so I got my Thrustmaster open, the TMX, and... Come on, focus, I know you want to. Damn phone camera. And I'm not noticing anything super out of the ordinary, but the biggest thing that I noticed that's out of the ordinary is the little bit of play that is in the motor shaft. Look at that. It's ever so slight, or almost kind of like it's out of round. And I can actually feel the change in tension there. Almost kind of like there's something that's not supposed to be that way there. I'm actually thinking that the noise is coming out of this. I checked these, and, I mean, look, they're coated in that goop stuff. I mean, I can double check and make sure they're fully tight, but I'm pretty sure that's pretty good, because, like, if I try to gently grab this, it does not budge at all. There's no way in hell that that specifically is loose. And I don't see any movement or things that shouldn't be the way that they are. But like I said, the only thing that I noticed is that weird, like, play or slack in the belt there. So, I honestly have no idea. And I mean, it's annoying because I like my wheel, and I like using it, but I'm afraid that it's going to break. And I'm at the point now, and I'm just checking that. I'm trying to check that with my phone camera. Yeah, I don't see anything there. Yeah, the only thing that I'm noticing is that. So, that's my best guess, is it's loose, and that noise that I hear is it, like, rubbing on that pulley, or one of these pulleys. Now, I will say, it looks like that pulley has had heat on it, if I'm understanding what I'm seeing there. Because you see all that, like, hang on. I don't have my awl. That's a star bit. If you see all of that, like, brown stuff there, it seems like it got heated at some point, or gets heated, because it's like a coating that's on there. Maybe that's just dust and oil. It could just be that, but I don't know, it's hard to tell. But yeah, I guess it's one of those things I'm just gonna have to live with. It's annoying, but I mean, if it breaks, it breaks. I don't really have much else to say about it, unfortunately. Oh well. If anyone has any ideas more than what I've already put out or gotten, I'd greatly appreciate it, but yeah. Thanks, guys.